this is Jitendra from TechWorm. Today Panasonic has launched in India Lumix GH5 camera, and as you can see, this is a very sturdy camera and has a rugged magnesium alloy body, and this camera is splash proof and dust proof and also freeze proof. As far as its other features are concerned, this camera is capable of recording smooth high precision 4K 60p/50p video recording and 4.222 10-bit 4K 30p/25 internal video recording, and this is for the first time in the world that this camera can do such type of recording. And as far as its other features are concerned, it upgrades to a 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor without low pass filter, which combines with the new Venus engine and which achieves highest level picture quality in the resolution, color reproduction and noise reduction. As far as its price is concerned, the price of this camera starts at 1,44,000 and goes up to 1,88,990 rupees. These prices are of the body, and the other details I have put it in my blog techworm.com, which you can see, and it contains all the technical features available on this phone. And this camera also adds 6K photo, which makes it possible to capture movements at 30 fps by extracting the frame with the best timing out of the 6K burst file to save an approximately 18 megapixel equivalent high resolution photo. So this camera is for professional photographers, enthusiasts and videographers. Thanks for watching this video, and you can also log into my blog techworm.com. Thanks once again, and bye.